Hello, health enthusiasts. Today, we're excited to discuss the incredible benefits of incorporating eggs into your daily diet. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients and have a profound impact on our bodies from the moment we start eating them regularly. In this video, we'll explore what happens to your body as soon as you begin eating eggs every day. Let's get cracking. Selecting high-quality eggs is essential for ensuring you're consuming eggs that are both nutritious and produced in an ethical and sustainable manner. Here are some tips to help you choose good eggs without chemical feeds. Look for pasture-raised or free-range eggs. Choose eggs labeled as pasture-raised or free-range. These terms typically indicate that the hens have access to outdoor space, allowing them to forage for natural foods and engage in more natural behaviors. Check for organic certification. Organic eggs are produced following strict guidelines that prohibit the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and genetically modified organisms in the hen's feed. Read labels. Examine the egg carton labels for information about the hen's diet. Look for eggs that are labeled as non-GMO or GMO-free to ensure the hens are not consuming genetically modified feeds. Complete protein source. Eggs are one of the best sources of complete protein available. As soon as you start eating eggs every day, your body receives all 9 essential amino acids needed for various bodily functions, including muscle repair and building. Each time you consume eggs, you're essentially supplying your body with the building blocks it requires for efficient protein synthesis. This process is especially significant after physical activities like exercise, as your muscles benefit from the amino acids found in eggs for repair and growth. Remember, moderation and a well-rounded diet are key to harnessing the full potential of eggs as a complete protein source. Absolutely, the impact of including eggs in your daily diet goes beyond being a powerhouse of complete protein. One of the remarkable benefits is its role in promoting satiety and aiding in weight management. Satiety and weight management, including eggs in your daily meals, can boost feelings of fullness and satisfaction. As a result, you may find yourself eating fewer calories throughout the day, aiding in weight management and supporting healthy eating habits. The benefits of eating eggs daily can be helpful for one of your most vital organs, the brain. Eggs are a rich source of choline, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain function, cognitive health, and overall mental clarity. Memory enhancement. Choline supports the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in memory formation and retention. By ensuring a steady supply of choline through eggs, you're supporting your brain's ability to process and store information effectively. Cognitive function. Eggs' choline content can enhance cognitive function by supporting efficient neurotransmitter signaling. This can lead to improved problem-solving skills, better decision-making, and enhanced overall mental clarity. Mood regulation. Choline is also linked to mood regulation and mental well-being. Adequate choline intake can contribute to balanced mood and emotional stability. By consistently consuming eggs and providing your body with a consistent source of choline, you're essentially giving your brain the building blocks it needs to function optimally. This becomes particularly important as we age and our cognitive functions naturally evolve. Heart health. Contrary to previous concerns, research now shows that moderate egg consumption can have positive effects on heart health. The nutrients in eggs, including omega-3 fatty acids, help reduce inflammation and promote a healthy heart. The nutrients within eggs, particularly their unique composition, contribute to the improvement of heart health in various ways. Omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs are a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been widely recognized for their potential in reducing inflammation and promoting cardiovascular health. These fatty acids are crucial for maintaining the integrity of cell membranes, supporting blood vessel function, and regulating heart rhythm. Nutrient-rich profile. Eggs are rich in essential nutrients like B vitamins, including folate and riboflavin, vitamin E, and selenium. These nutrients play a role in supporting heart health by contributing to healthy blood pressure, reducing oxidative stress, and improving overall cardiovascular function. Eye health. Eggs are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 essential antioxidants that support eye health. Regular egg consumption can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and other vision-related issues. Protection from oxidative stress. The eyes are particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress due to constant exposure to light and environmental factors. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural defenders, neutralizing free radicals and preventing cellular damage in the eyes. Enhanced contrast sensitivity. Lutein and zeaxanthin have been linked to improved contrast sensitivity, allowing you to better distinguish objects from their background and enhancing overall visual acuity. Improved cholesterol profile. Another fascinating benefit of eating eggs every day is the impact on your cholesterol levels. Contrary to popular belief, eggs can increase HDL, good cholesterol, and improve the LDL, bad cholesterol particle size, leading to a more favorable cholesterol profile. Skin and hair. Eggs are a beauty powerhouse. The proteins and biotin found in eggs can promote healthy hair, nails, and skin. As you incorporate eggs into your diet, you may notice improvements in your hair's shine and your skin's appearance. Nutrient absorption. Vitamin D found in eggs aids in the absorption of calcium, promoting strong bones and teeth. Consuming eggs daily can contribute to better bone health, especially when combined with other calcium-rich foods. Blood sugar regulation. Research suggests that the proteins in eggs can help regulate blood sugar levels. By including eggs in your daily meals, you may experience better blood sugar control, making them a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes. Muscle strength. Lastly, eggs contain leucine, an essential amino acid known to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Regular consumption of eggs can support muscle strength and recovery, especially when combined with an active lifestyle. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of eating eggs every day. From providing complete protein to supporting brain health, heart health, and more, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse that can positively impact your body from day one. Remember to enjoy eggs as part of a balanced diet. And if you have any allergies or specific health conditions, consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from learning about the amazing effects of regular egg consumption. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.